Hi, welcome back to class. And as you know, we've been moved to online for the next at least 2 weeks. So for now, looks like we're going to be working online. So I have this set up so it'll be easy for us to do because we've already done some online discussions. But as we look at the week, I will show you how to navigate the class in case there's any questions. So here's the video I put out earlier today. This is the video I made. It's a YouTube video of for all four of my classes. Then I have an assignment sheet which I'll go over. I have a crash course video. Of course, there's no lecture this week. And then make sure you have your chapters 5 through 8 assignment due. And we're going to have a discussion forum on Chapter 9 and a new assignment on oppression and privilege. And I will go ahead and explain this to you in a second. And also, of course, we have our quiz. And so every week, I will put this video right here. It will be a screencast. And there will be an assignment sheet every week. And so this week we're looking at aging, and so you're going to read the text and watch the crash course video, but there's no additional videos this week. So you'll post an initial post for each of the 2 discussion threads on aging, and again, do not start responding to these. And you'll complete a Dropbox assignment over chapters 5 through 8, and start another Dropbox assignment on oppression and privilege, and I will go over all this stuff with you. So if you just work down this list, you'll have everything due that needs to be turned in. So, of course, read your chapter, complete your chapters 5 through 8 Dropbox assignment, work on the oppression, privilege Dropbox assignment. Again, that's due in 2 weeks, so you have a little extra time. And everything will be due at the start of class on normal time. So hopefully, if we're back in session again soon, we can just pick up where we are on the D12 and not have to do follow-up discussions and other stuff. Then there's you're going to post 2 initial posts to the Chapter 9 discussion board. Again, for that reason, that's going to be due by next Tuesday at 1 o'clock when we start class normally, and have your discussion, your quiz done. So, in looking at this, chapter 9. So, again, with your chapters 5 through 8, I know there was a discussion last week, and last time we had class about that. And again, these are just notes basically for yourself for the assignment you'll have due at the end of the semester, which is your sociological biography. You're going to use sociology to describe yourself and kind of build a little story on yourself using a sociological lens. So, whatever information you have from those chapters that help tell the story of you, that will be great. Then this new assignment, the oppression and privilege paper, this is something else you can use in your paper, and it's basically 2 5-question questionnaires. They don't have to be very long answers, but you want to look at where you stand in society. So think about where you stand, where you have privilege, and where you may have an area of oppression. And this is sometimes a hard assignment for people to do. There's a total of 10 questions. So 5 looking at privilege, 5 looking at oppression. So where are you stratified, and where do you have privilege? And I do not want to see, I usually have one person a semester try to put something that they're oppressed because they're a white male. That really doesn't work. So please don't try that. That's not a legitimate answer. In our society, our stratification, we went over this already, is a little more complicated than that. So just get into class, get into gender, get into your social status, maybe your geographic location, but try to use a real sociological lens for this. And again, this assignment can be used to help understand yourself better, and can also give you more information to use for your paper. That's pretty straightforward. Shouldn't be that difficult. Um, but yeah, I mean, like it takes some time with this and really think about it. I will change the date on the knowledge review quiz. It's not due in October. I will have that updated here when I do this and make this live. And I just want you to know, I know we've moved to being online. I told you we're not going to really be doing much online discussions anymore. Um, but I also said in the event of something happening, I was really thinking about weather events. But you know, uh, things like COVID-19 happen, and we're able to work through those too. So we're not going to use this class to really discuss that in depth. If you want to in your discussions, you're free to do so. But in general, I'm going to stick with the class material and hopefully give you a break from discussing that. The two questions we have this week that you're going to put your initial post down are looking at inequality in U.S. life expectancy. The chapter does get into this, and it looks at who does have a higher chance of living longer and who doesn't. And the next is a question is, what are the repercussions that society has to face as the elderly disengage? So what happens as we lose the active participation of our elderly people in our societies? And so these are good sociological questions, and the book does give you some good basis to understand them with. And again, I think you'll have a good discussion with this. Just do your initial post this week. Again, we will have follow-up next week, starting on Tuesday, and we'll see where we go from there. I will keep you updated on any changes, and if you have any questions, feel free to get back to me with an email. I may do a drop, I may do a screencast, may do a video, may do an email to everybody, may just respond to you if it's an individual question. But just because we're not meeting face to face doesn't mean I'm not here for you. I'm still here to answer your questions, and I do miss seeing you and really enjoy this class. So I am sorry that we are going this route, but I think we've built a good enough culture in our classroom, and we have a great social learning environment. There's great people in this class, and I think you can still carry on that good discussion online. I think our foundation is there for us to have a very good end of the semester still. So I'll let you go, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.